I've engineered a complete one-click machine for generating viral short-form content, and trust me, it's a complete paradigm shift. What I'm sharing today will essentially automate your entire content pipeline while you're off doing other things. You simply feed it one long-form video, and it spits out dozens, maybe even hundreds, of polished short clips. These clips come complete with dynamic captions, suggested music, and scheduling ready to go, all without you opening an editor. It might sound like pure digital magic, but it is simply a powerful tool doing exactly what it was designed to do. The core promise is that this system converts a lengthy video into a vast library of platform-ready short segments. It automatically locates the absolute punchiest, most engaging moments within your source material. The AI then meticulously rates every single segment for its potential to go viral across different platforms. Furthermore, it generates platform-specific captions and relevant hashtags tailored perfectly for maximum reach. Finally, these assets are automatically slotted into a pre-configured posting calendar ready for deployment. We are diving deep into the exact workflow I implemented to make this content machine run seamlessly. I'll show you how I initiate the clipping process from a single, long video source URL. You will see how to pull platform-specific caption variations that truly resonate with each audience. We will explore the scheduling magic that pushes content out automatically without your daily intervention. Crucially, I will reveal how the AI ranks the virality of each clip, prioritizing performance over sheer quantity. Yes, you can tell the system to churn out over 100 clips, but I'll explain why thoughtful curation beats volume. So let's start the walkthrough of my powerful, automated, short-form clipper system. Imagine I drop one single long-form YouTube video link directly into the processing queue. The underlying AI instantly begins scanning the entire video for compelling attention-grabbing segments. It intelligently slices the content into digestible clips, adding dynamic captions and background music automatically. The system then exports all this rich data into a simple spreadsheet, ready for your final review and queuing. From that central hub, you can choose to let the integrated content calendar publish natively or push the files elsewhere. You can distribute these polished pieces to TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or any other vertical platform. Let's start at the very beginning, where the master automation sequence is first established. The crucial first step is setting up a scheduled trigger, which acts as the very heartbeat of this entire workflow. This trigger wakes up, perhaps once per day, to scan your central spreadsheet for new videos needing processing. If a row's status column is marked as Shorts Created, the workflow wisely skips that entry to save processing power. However, if the status says Need Shorts, the system immediately pulls the associated URL and starts the magic. The spreadsheet template I use is intentionally kept minimal for maximum speed and clarity. It includes just the long-form link, the processing status column, and future slots for generated short links and captions. If you want to replicate this, grab that template, adjust the columns to your liking, and you are immediately set up. A vital little tip concerns source links. Always use the standard youtube.com/watch?v format. Using the conventional URL style helps avoid frustrating parsing issues that can trip up many internal APIs. Once the sheet is successfully feeding the automation workflow, the next action is sending that URL to the core processing engine via API. The API requires the video URL along with a few key parameters defining your exact output specifications. You must specify the target clip length along with minimum and maximum duration boundaries for safety. You also define the required language for caption generation and the specific number of candidate clips to consider. This is precisely where the true intelligence of the system shines brilliantly above simple slicing tools. Instead of brute forcing every random 10-second interval, it analyzes the video for true emotional spikes. It intelligently identifies topic shifts, which signal a natural change in subject matter for viewers. Attention markers, like sudden laughter, a raised voice, or a key on-screen text, are all heavily weighted in the scoring. The engine then generates a curated set of candidate clips based on these critical engagement factors. Crucially, each candidate receives a calculated virality score derived from engagement heuristics and historical performance data. The end result is a ranked list where the system strongly recommends the top-performing clips for your immediate use. This feature saves you from tediously poring over every single potential cut line by line. You retain the power to tweak the system's default settings to match your specific creative needs. You can precisely set target durations like 15, 20, or 30 seconds, depending on your current platform strategy. When processing a new long video, I personally prefer generating between 10 and 20 candidate clips to start. You can direct the AI to prioritize segments with strong opening hooks or focus more on dense informational exchanges. It absolutely possesses the capability to produce 100 clips automatically if you set that number in the parameters. However, I strongly advocate for generating a focused, high-quality batch and then learning from your initial performance results. After the analysis is complete, the system generates a low-resolution preview for a quick initial assessment. Following your selection, it then renders the final high-resolution exports for the clips you choose to officially keep. This high bitrate output is critical because many platforms penalize lower-quality files with reduced reach. The tool facilitates exporting clips with captions either permanently burned into the video frame or as separate subtitle files. You select the appropriate format based on whether the destination platform prefers hard-coded or soft-coded text. Caption styling and creation are handled entirely automatically, minimizing another huge step in your process. Vizard generates optimized captions right out of the box for TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube, for instance. It formats these captions meticulously to align with each platform's best practices concerning line breaks and length. The system even intelligently suggests appropriate emojis that enhance the caption's tone and discoverability. You also get two distinct caption variants, one for brevity and another richer version for better SEO on platforms like YouTube. It doesn't stop there, as it proactively suggests highly effective hashtags designed for maximum search visibility. Short, punchy descriptions optimized for each specific social platform are also included in the final package. The realm of music and audio is similarly streamlined with excellent automation features. You have the option to automatically incorporate background tracks selected from the tool's integrated music library. Crucially, you can set the music's volume level to ensure your primary voiceover always remains clearly dominant. If you prefer absolute silence, you can easily instruct the system to skip any background music addition altogether. The built-in AI is sophisticated enough to match the energy and beat of the selected background track to the clip's pacing. This prevents that awkward feeling of an obviously generic or completely misplaced soundtrack ruining the moment. As always, the system allows for manual override if you possess a very specific preferred licensed track in mind. Once rendering and captioning finalize all the resultant metadata funnels back into your main Google Sheet. This sheet now contains the short clip URL, the file storage link, platform-specific text suggestions, and the current posting status. This spreadsheet officially transforms into your single, central content management hub for the entire week. From this hub, you have two primary logistical pathways for getting your content live across the internet. The first path is utilizing the native content calendar integrated directly within the tool itself. This built-in option offers seamless drag-and-drop scheduling and integrated performance analytics in one spot. The alternative path involves exporting that final spreadsheet data as a CSV file for external use. You can then feed this CSV into your established third-party scheduling software if you are heavily invested elsewhere. Tools like Hootsuite, Later, or similar services can take the data and handle the final publishing push for you. Be cautious though, because many external tools impose significant limitations on direct video uploads or file quality. Some schedulers might aggressively compress your high-quality video, noticeably degrading the final viewer experience. Others struggle with cleanly handling the platform-specific caption nuances you meticulously prepared. This is why keeping the entire pipeline inside the native calendar often results in a much tidier, higher quality outcome. Now, for an honest market comparison, other clip conversion services definitely exist out there. Services like Clap or similar ones are interesting and sometimes cheaper for very small, infrequent batches, but they often suffer from low-resolution previews, clunky caption output, or severely restricted scheduling flexibility. Manual editing, while offering the highest level of artistic craft, is undeniably slow and proportionally expensive. This automated solution really occupies a crucial, powerful sweet spot between those two extremes. It is exponentially faster than any manual process while maintaining a polish level superior to many single-purpose clip tools. For creators who demand high-volume output, this system proves significantly more cost-effective over time. Ultimately, you must weigh your priorities, the time saved, the required polish, and your overall budget constraints. This process heavily favors saving you substantial time while keeping that necessary polish level quite high. Now, circling back to the operational flow, once everything is in the sheet and scheduled, the engine takes over posting. You can instruct the scheduling engine to publish content at a custom cadence, such as 3 times every single day. The system will either select optimal posting times based on audience data or lets you lock in specific moments. It diligently updates that central spreadsheet with a live posting status so you always see what's currently published. One of my absolute favorite underlying features is the transparent virality score mechanism. Vizard isn't just guessing, it employs an internal predictive model to forecast which clips are most likely to succeed. It provides you with the explicit reasoning behind why it flagged a particular segment as high potential. This transparency allows you to actively learn what elements work best in your raw recordings for future reference. That understanding empowers you to consciously replicate those high-performing elements in your next long-form sessions. To be completely transparent, the AI's automated clips might sometimes lack the nuance of a highly specialized editor. They won't replace a top-tier professional editor for your flagship cinematic, high-budget projects. But for sheer content velocity, daily posting consistency, and rapid testing of new ideas, this tool is functionally perfect. The output is always postable, reliably solid, and inherently optimized for immediate platform distribution. If you want to jumpstart your setup, pre-built, importable workflow templates are available from community sources. These templates show you exactly how to wire the Google Sheet, the API connection, and the content calendar together. There are also comprehensive walkthroughs demonstrating how to route the output to those alternative third-party services if you insist. The essential takeaway is that you absolutely do not need to learn complex coding or scripting to deploy this system. You just plug in the template, customize your personal preferences, and immediately get your machine running. Finally, for those whose time is extremely valuable, service providers can handle the entire implementation for you. They will map your specific channels, fine-tune your preferred clip lengths, and dial in your caption styling preferences. That option becomes highly practical when the cost of your time outweighs the cost of outsourcing the initial setup. So to summarize this entire powerful loop, drop the long video, let the AI select the best short moments, then generate all your optimized captions and hashtags, export the package, and schedule it for automatic publishing across platforms. You will achieve a constant stream of fresh, short-form content without manually touching an editor every single day. This system will never truly replace your core creative strategy or that occasional bespoke, highly polished edit. But as a reliable autopilot for consistently repurposing long-form work into short-form treasure, it is unbelievably useful. If you want to test this power, start by processing just one video and generating a small, focused set of 10 to 20 clips. Post that batch consistently for one full week and meticulously track which pieces truly gain traction with your audience. You must then rapidly iterate and scale up only the concepts and segments that demonstrated proven success. That focused process is genuinely the fastest pathway to scaling your attention and building a consistent, short-form powerhouse.